Wow. After the amazing success from last week's video, where I hit almost double digits in views, can you believe it? Double digits! 8 to be exact, in only 1 week, I decided not to let you wait any longer and hit you with another video, which is coming at you right now, and I hope you enjoy. The Badeofen from company Huss comes in a nice little package, and let's get right into it. Oh, so the whole thing is made out of metal, right? What else is in the box? You have a bit of paperwork, and you have a little tiny box, and I guess there are the burning candles inside. They are indeed. How many do we have? 2 of those. Very nice. So put them back in. Leave one outside to light up. Bit of paperwork. It explains how the oven is engineered. You put the candle in upside down, and it burns. A bit of a different mechanism than the traditional Reuchermaenchen or smoking man, like this one we did last week here. Beep beep. There. So let's get right into it. Right, it's made out of metal, and it's got a little ashtray in the bottom here. Then comes the main, I think, container chamber on, and you've got a little bit of like the candle holder. I used it already a couple times. Got a candle holder right here, and a little washer, right? So this goes on top of there, and then you have the chimney. To light it up, all you need to do is you light up the smoking candle, just like so, until it glimmers a little bit. You put it in upside down, just like so. And it should start smoking. Beautiful. So, what is a Badeofen for everybody who doesn't know? Basically, you made a fire in here, and then you heat up water in there, and then you have got like pipes and connect to your bath, and you can draw yourself a bath. So you heat up a lot of water with it, basically. It's out of the olden days from 1990 never. So our metal construction has got a nice weight to it as well, and I do like the design, and I also like how it's engineered, right? It's just smart that you have the candle upside down there, and you will have no leftovers, and it just falls through once it's burned, right? And you can light up the next one. So very good. I would like to give this one, for design and engineering, a 10 out of 10. Ta-da! Yes, 10 out of 10. Comes out so evenly, right? So peaceful. Almost you need to disturb it a little bit. Smoke, because I do like how they engineered it, right? That it goes upside down, and you can just light up the next candle after this one is falling through. So I really do like it. And of course I like the amount of smoke it produces and how it does it. Just beautifully. It fills the room with a nice scent of Christmassy. There we go, yeah, got it. It's almost like too much smoke, but of course there's nothing like too much smoke, right? Obviously. You almost like want to disturb it a little bit, yeah. And then it just stops. I guess because the candle is burned. Turn out, yeah. So for the smoke and for the nice little mechanism that somebody thought about it, I also will give it a 10 out of 10. Yoo-hoo! Very good review for the Huss Badeofen altogether. It is my favorite at the moment. Hope you enjoyed it. don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And that's the end. Thanks for watching.